Someone has rightly said, the more time you spend in the digital world, the less time you have for the real world. In today's world, technology has become an integral part of our lives, and it's hard to imagine a day without our devices. However, this constant connectivity comes at a price. We are witnessing one of the biggest human crises of our time, the phenomenon of digital addiction. Many of us are drowning inside the virtual world, and as a result, problems are emerging in our personal and social lives. From decreasing productivity and poor mental health to the breakdown of relationships, the negative effects of technology on our lives are becoming more and more apparent. Yet we often remain oblivious to this problem, focused on the gossip and affairs of celebrities or the news from the other side of the world. We are losing touch with the world around us. And it's time to take a step back and reflect our own relationship with technology. In this video, we will explore the concept of digital detox, which involves taking a break from technology to reset and recharge. We will discuss the benefit of digital detox, offer tips on how to start your own detox, and provide guidance on how to maintain a healthy balance with technology in the long run. So if you are ready to break free from the grips of digital addiction and reclaim your life, then let's get started. Digital detox is a process of unplugging from technology to reduce stress, increase focus, and improve overall well-being. It involves taking a break from screens, social media, and other digital distractions to reconnect with the real world. Digital detox is important because it helps us to avoid burnout, improve our mental health, and maintain healthy relationships. Our addiction to technology is having a significant impact on our mental health, productivity, and relationships. Renowned psychologists and tech experts agree that our over-reliance on screens and social media is causing widespread harm. Today, inability to disconnect is leading to a mental health crisis with depression, anxiety, and burnout becoming more common than ever. Newport, a computer science professor, highlights the negative impact of digital distraction on productivity. He argues that our constant use of technology is causing a slump in concentration levels, making it harder for us to focus and get things done. Researchers across the world warns that our reliance on technology is undermining our ability to form deep and meaningful relationships, arguing that our constant use of a screen is preventing us from fully engaging with others and developing empathy and social skills. Our reliance on social media and online news sources is leading to a polarized and disengaged public, unable to engage in constructive dialogue or take action on important issues. Moreover, the impact of too much screen time on our cognitive abilities cannot be ignored. Research shows that excessive screen time can lead to a decline in concentration levels, lower memory retention, and reduced creativity. Tips for a successful digital detox. If you are looking to try a digital detox, here are some tips that can help. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries for your screen time, such as avoiding such as avoiding screens before bed or during meals. Create a plan. Make a plan for your digital detox, including what activities you will do instead of using screens and how long you will go without technology. Find alternative activities. Explore alternative activities to fill your time, such as reading a book, going for a walk, or engaging in a hobby. Deal with FOMO, fear of missing out, can be a significant barrier to a successful digital detox. Learn to let go of FOMO by focusing on the present moment and the benefits of unplugging. In conclusion, digital detox is a crucial process that can help us improve our mental and physical health, deepen our relationships, and enhance our overall quality of life. By taking steps to reduce our reliance on technology, we can enjoy the benefits of a more balanced and fulfilled lives.